Now, the casualties, the people they shot, is not what I can post on Facebook or on YouTube, because it will violate the YouTube community guidelines, and I think Facebook will also, block it. I don't know about TikTok, but what I'm trying to say is that if you see the people they shot when this incident happened, it's not what I can post here. Now, what is going on in this community is that they initiated, I don't know whether it was a political plan, fight or war, where the clans, they started fighting for rulership, for leadership, for the clan in the community. And while they were fighting that, the military came and the military started, shooting, trying to intervene, killing people. This is a story I was told on the live session I had with them yesterday. And they told me that while this thing was going on, all their bushes, they have the largest palm oil plantation in Nigeria, this place. Now, they told me that all their bushes, while all this thing is going on, the Fulani people came and they searched in all their bushes. Both the part they are mining crude oil, they have about 25 oil wells in their community. Nobody can even go to that side. Every place, they are killing people here and there. This is so unfortunate, but people fail to realize, the truth. Who is sponsoring all this terrorism? Who? Nothing but the terrorists themselves. When I mean the terrorists themselves, I'm talking about the terrorists in government officials. There are so many terrorists in government officials. You are not hearing it from me for the first time. Governor Dauda Lawal of Zamfara State told us that Tinubu's Minister of State Defense, Tinubu Minister of Defense State, is a part of the banditry that is going on. Governor Andeya of Benue State told us last month here that the investigation they carried out, that House of Rep members and senators are part of the people who are sponsoring the killing in Benue State. But in what is it called? In Imo State, who is doing that? That is the question. Who is doing that? Who is responsible? Why is it that people who are carrying out natural gas mining, nobody is touching them? But the villagers, none of them have, the courage to remain in their ancestral home now. All of them want to leave. Have they discovered gold in that community? Have they discovered lithium, iron ore? Or there is something special about this community. They keep on mining the natural gas. The cubic of natural gas in that community, in fact, can sustain Nigeria in the next 500 years. People don't know about this. The crude oil in that community, they are still, drilling it, exploring it. But the real people are dying. How can you, put this in a context? How can people understand what is actually going on? You see, when I heard that, that was yesterday, I finished reading is it 16 pages? Yes, I'll be 26 pages of the proscription of PDP and APC by the Canadian court as terrorist organizations. I was not surprised. I was not surprised at all, because if they tell you what Nigerian politicians are doing, and these people are the funders of the APC and PDPs, importing terrorists into the country, doing all sort of things, they don't care. They don't care about you. No politician cares about you. These people are just after either money or power. They're after money or power. They want to control the media. They want to